From the PEP Radio Newsroom, we have an update on the road and weather conditions across western Pennsylvania. An ice storm warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Saturday for significant icing, which is expected. Total ice accumulations between 1/10 and 3/10 of an inch are possible. This is for Crawford and southern Erie counties. Roads and especially bridges and overpasses will likely become slick and hazardous. Power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday evening commute. We have multiple vehicle accident to report on Southbound I-79. All lanes are closed between the McKean Exit and Exit 166 at Edinboro. Once again, all lanes closed between McKean and Edinboro. That's what we last heard. If that's been cleaned up, it is expected to be cleaned up by 2. The following speed limit reductions are in place. 45 miles an hour, commercial vehicles, right lane only. These are active. I-80 between exit 19B and I-79 north to Erie, and exit 133, PA 53, the Kylertown-Phillipsburg exit. I-79 between exit 116B, which is I-80 west towards Sharon, and Pennsylvania Route 5, which is in Erie County. I-90 between the Ohio state line and the New York state line. I-86 between the New York state line and the end where 90 and 86 have their junction. I-99 between US 220 and I-80. US 322 between exit I-99 north, US 220 to I-80 Bellefonte, and exit US 22 west. The following Tier 3 restrictions for commercial vehicles are active. I-70 between exit 149 South Breezewood and the Maryland border. I-376 between I-80 and exit 13A, US 224 towards Poland. I-79 between exit 77, that's the Turnpike, and Youngstown, Ohio, Harrisburg, and PA Route 5. Once again, from exit 77 all the way up to PA Route 5, Tier 3 restrictions. I-80 between the Ohio state line and exit 260B, I-81 north to Wilkes-Barre. I-99 between US 220 and I-80. I-81 between the Maryland state line and exit 70. I-86 between the I-90 interchange and the New York state line. I-90 between Ohio and New York. I-376 east at the start to the end of the toll road. That's what we know for now from the PEP Radio Newsroom. I'm David Moore.